Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and this is the FX Rundown. A quiet session for currencies. We started off with CPI data out of the U.S. this morning. Overall in line, but slightly softer than expected. It brought the U.S. dollar off the overnight highs, and we're finishing with a little bit of a tail. The dollar index could not break out above the recent high a couple sessions ago, but as we talked about yesterday here, a lot of resistance, 97.15 up to 97.5, and then you have the support on the flip side, the euro, 111, 111.30 area, just a lot of support in that area right there. The euro, ultimately, it's off the session lows, but it is down on the session. It could be interesting to see tomorrow. We looked at CPI data out of Europe, as well as the UK. And the British pound is finding some support at the psychological around 130 number at the 50-day moving average, trekking through that area right there. So a weak close, weaker CPI data, a weak close could bring the pound and the euro lower tomorrow and help lift the dollar, but not so fast. We do have New York Empire State Manufacturing. This is a January number at 7:30 a.m. Central Time, as well as with PPI. PPI is really not watched as close as the CPI number right now, but ultimately, too, the New York Empire Fed number. Manufacturing has been soft, and it's been the sector that's worried everyone. So a miss here should weaken the dollar, should be very closely watched. Now, you also have Philadelphia Fed President and Dallas Fed President talking tomorrow, early afternoon. Those are both two new 2020 Fed voters, so everybody's going to be watching very closely what they have to say because it could really move currencies, could move rates, could move the stocks. So volatility should come from those conversations. We hear from them, as well as the signing day. U.S. and China are signing the Phase 1 deal, getting just different whispers out of what this includes, what it may not include, not rolling back tariffs, etc. So risk environment is going to keep a pulse on that too, and overall it's going to move the currencies like the Aussie and the Canadian, so keep an eye on those. Very quiet sessions from there. And then one that performed very well again today was the Swiss franc. Swiss franc, it's trading about 103.80, out above about 103.60 and 103.65 area. We got some support. We have a momentum indicator there too. Holding out above there gives you a path of least resistance to 104.20. Now, we do caution chasing this rally, but you do want to pick your spots. A move out above 104.20 is obviously very bullish. So keep an eye on that Swiss. And then for the yen, it can't seem to find any traction at all. It is off session lows, but as we talked about yesterday, 90.50 is a big trend line from 2015, and if it remains below 91.60, you're going to have that path of least resistance lower to 90.50. Give us a call. We're here to talk about it. Anything on the board, always here to help. 312-278-0500. Remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors. Thank you.